If you've ever been curious about lifting, firming, or toning the skin with cutting-edge technology, this could be the video for you.
So, very excited to give this a go and to unbox. Really nice packaging. Though it's got the cellophane wrap on it, the rest of it looks fully recyclable and cardboard based, which is great. Much better for the environment. So, let's look at the packaging first. This is going to be the first time I've ever used a device like this. I've used microcurrent devices before. I've used EMS, which is electric muscle stimulation. But never have I used something that says this, dual waveform technology. So this is microcurrent and nanocurrent. When I was doing a lot of work with Foreo and speaking with the press and doing a lot of events surrounding microcurrent, it was one of my favorite topics to talk about because it's one of those beauty treatments that you can expect incredible results really quickly. But like with anything, like a gym, is once you stop, those results will diminish. They won't disappear straight away, but they will slowly fade away. And that's okay, because this is treated as a workout. And when you've got that mentality when it comes to this treatment, you're on to a winner. Lily Allen, The Fear, but nothing to fear here. Safety, things have to be there for a reason, but like with anything, you need to make sure that it's safe before you're even thinking about the results that it could achieve you. So please do your research. I'll have some more information down below in the description, which will include some things to look out for. And if those do affect you, then I would avoid using anything that uses EMS, microcurrent, nanocurrent. And if you're going to be investing anything over a few £100s, I watched about 15 YouTube videos until something properly makes sense, and then I understand if it's right for me or not. Hopefully with me I can save you some time, and this will be the only one that you'll need to watch, but I'd always advise everyone to make sure you go and get a really good understanding of the technology. But I'll do my best in this video to dive as deep as we can for this first impressions and unboxing. This is so light. This is so light. And I like the fact that it's got a curve to it, meaning that I think the ergonomics are going to feel great when you're gliding around the skin. Whatever the contour, whatever the jawline, whatever the cheekbone, there is always going to be curvature when it comes to the face. And I really like the fact that this is almost inverted slightly. I really like that. I've not seen a device that does that. I've seen two spheres before, and that's what I've been using at home. I've always used that, whether it was NuFace when I first bought a microcurrent device, whether it was in salon that was spheres, with things like Casey. Casey was prongs, but yeah. If anyone is asking, I'm not doing any treatments in salon at the moment because it costs a fortune. And even just getting the appointments booked in, I can't seem to see past my feet right now. So appointments are a thing of the past. So are any commitments that I feel I can avoid. Okay, so this is the Electric Complex. I know that there are other options in terms of the serums. I believe there's 3 in total, so I'm going to be excited to dive into those and see what sort of differences each formula have to find you the one that would work best for you and your budget. I believe this will be the entry one, but I'm not going to presume that. Right, what else is in here? Fully recyclable. Good. The only thing that would have been great would have been a USB-C to USB-C, just because the world is really going into that direction. But we will have so many spare USB-A ports and plugs that actually, it's probably not a bad idea to actually have that. And then it's USB-C to charge the actual device. So a very short cable. Doesn't come with a case. That's the only thing I would have really liked. Other brands have also done the same, that they don't include a case with it. I do totally understand though, from an eco-friendly standpoint, we will all potentially have old makeup bag or an old phone case or like an old phone sock or something, or even a sock. There's nothing wrong with that at all. So I guess in a way, I don't really need a specific case for it. So yeah, let me know below as well, because you are going to write a comment on this. I do really appreciate it. Let me know as well if a case is like a deal breaker for you when you're getting something. And if not, do you have any other ideas of what we could put it in? I think as wild as mine are going to get is saying a sock. If you can beat that, then you're at the right channel. Okay, quick start guide. Interesting, so the microcurrent will give you the immediate result. This is what I'm used to. Treatment I'm really, really comfortable with and I adore. Nanocurrent, this is where things get interesting. And supposedly this is going to help even more with a glowing complexion. Something though I've got to say about microcurrent is it can still give you that incredible complexion glow because it's speeding up your cell-to-cell communication, it's boosting blood flow, circulation, all these things. So even though this is a benefit specifically from the nanocurrent source, microcurrent still does that, so just for context. But this is going to be really interesting to see how this can give you a lasting result. You can't feel them as they work on a cellular level to repair and rejuvenate your skin from within. So this seems almost more like the utilitarian, and this is the more hedonistic approach to microcurrent and lifting, because this is doing the groundwork. This is doing the stuff that you want to see immediately. Okay. So if you have lost your user guide and you need to refer to this, I know you can get it online, but you may want this in the review. So I'm just going to do a few pages, and please feel free to pause and zoom in as you need. And this is for the app. So it actually says here, store the device in its storage bag. There isn't one. But remember what we're saying, we're going to help each other here. What should we store it in? So a sensitivity test. Try it on the palm of your hand, switch on the device, and move the device in small circular motions on the gel for 3 minutes. Stop the test immediately if you do not feel comfortable or if you see adverse effects. Wait 48 hours and examine the tested area. If the skin in the tested area appears normal, you can start full treatment. Should we see if there's charge already in this? No. We're going to give this a charge. Let's go back to the screen and dive a little deeper into truly what the device is going to do. Let's talk about the technology. Let's talk about what we can expect. And then we'll wrap up the video. If you want to follow the journey of this or you have any questions whatsoever, I would like you to put them down in the comments down below, and I can do a follow-up video. As with everything, I like to really, really use it before I do my final thoughts. But from any first impressions at the level that I go into reviewing products, you're going to be safe to say that you can definitely gather if this is going to be something worthwhile investing for you. All of the information will be down below in the description box and the comments. As with everything, I will mention if things are sponsored or not. This isn't, so this was my choice to review this myself, but I did want to make sure that if I was to, I could at least share a discount with you all and spread the love a little bit. So we have a lot of geeking out to do about this. Let's check out the website and see exactly what Zipp, the brand, say about this device, the Halo. I'm gonna need my glasses. So, sparking brilliant skin with Zipp Halo, the only microcurrent device that works across an entire spectrum of electrical currents, allowing you to treat the whole range of skincare concerns, not just the lifting and contouring, which is microcurrent, which is good, but if you want more, this is this sort of device that's going to give it to you, powered by microcurrent and nanocurrent. And they've trademarked nanocurrent, which is interesting. Each treatment has a unique combination of electrical waveforms to target a different area of the face or achieve a specific skin ambition. So we have the beautiful Nicola Chapman Haste, I believe now, since being married. If you don't know, she and her sister, Sam, are the makers of the Real Technique brushes. Amazing girls. And I followed their YouTube channel since so younger, and they're just incredible. Right. Let's a little look on this. So we've already spoken about conductive gel. We can talk about that after. The Zipp Halo is programmed with lift, so you can zip anywhere without the need for the app, which is good. The lift is a powerful 4-minute freeform facial that uses both microcurrent and Zipp's nanocurrent. For all other treatments and treatment plans, you need to download the Zipp app, where our founder Melanie guides you through each treatment. For the best results, we recommend using the app, where you can tailor the treatments for your skin's needs. The Zipp app is a free app. Cool. We're gonna explore that when we do the next video, which will be me actually using it. This is just a deep dive into all the technology and what you can expect. How do I charge it?
USB-A to USB-C, but USB-A is the more common rectangle one that we're used to. The world's going into that oval one, which is the USB-C. How often can I use it? 3 to 5 times a week with a maximum of 6 times per week. Okay, so they don't actually recommend that you could use it every single day, which is interesting. I've used microcurrent daily, but it's not that sustainable because life gets busy. So I think 6 as a maximum is more realistic. If this does affect you, you want to really look into these. And like I said, I will put information down below. Make sure to really follow these things seriously because not everyone can use it. What's the returns policy? 2-year warranty, I like that. I'm skipping ahead. 30 days return, cool. 2 years warranty, very good. Most brands only offer 1, so that is a real sign of quality. And I like that. You do need to use conductive gel. So really nice before and afters. Smoother texture, reduced pigmentation. This is a really interesting one. If nanocurrent can truly work on those deeper layers and look at the skincare concerns as opposed to the muscle, that's going to be really interesting. Right, so what do you think of that? I know this is going to be a really unique video and it's giving this video, which was probably my favorite that I filmed last year. If you saw this, you have to turn it on for like stage. Ooh, incredible. I have to film a follow-up video about this because this has been, and this is coming from someone who has tried 2 of the top masks that I'm seeing everywhere online are comparing it to those. I haven't used the other ones, but I know people that have. So I'm definitely an ambassador when it comes to red LED. This was just so incredible because it had the near infrared and the deep near infrared. If you're interested in this, I'll link the video down below to the full deep dive. But this review is giving me a bit of that vibe. And I like it because it's not just about using it and showing you what it's like. I really love these videos where I can deep dive in with you and we can actually start a conversation. You guys can then ask me more questions, meaning that when I'm actually doing the first trial review, I can actually incorporate some of your questions in it and again, bring further value. I think it's a curse from working in the education side and working in the industry itself is that I just see things a bit differently. So I hope you always get that feeling when you come to my channel. And if not, at least then it's entertaining. So yes, let's carry on with the review. Because this is the only brand that I'm aware of that offer different types of their conductive gel. So let's look into the Zip gels. So I have the silver gel. Okay, £69. I don't know what it is in dollars, but it will be similar. Intensely hydrating. This has hyaluronic acid, best for dry and sensitive skin and helps to reduce redness. Pearl powder, again, not to be a cynic, but pearl powder is going to give that slight brilliance to the skin. Again, can make you look more like, oh my gosh, I'm so glowy. I only say that not to discount any brand, but it's just to be honest. And I'm such a cynic. So yeah, it's just something to bear in mind. What I love about this is the fact that it has copper gluconate, which is incredible for anti-aging. It has Camellia sinensis, which is green tea. Really, really, really good ingredients. But I don't think this is it. I don't think I have the silver gel. Oh no, I've got the, okay, humbling. I've got the standard one. I was thinking that, but this still has propranediol. Okay, so I am correct. But I was thinking, does that have that in it? So this is kind of like the, I'm not going to say cheap and cheerful because this is not cheap, but the kind of basic, the standard one. So silver, we've just gone up to, right, crystal, 69, okay. So this one's great for reducing pigmentation. What's in it? What's this? Good, most of it's organic. Copper gluconate, incredible for the skin. This is my favorite benefit of copper gluconate, full stop. And zinc, really good. Glutathione as well, so really big keywords when it comes to pro-aging. Golden gel, 119, ooh. She's a lot. She is a lot. 24 karat gold. Okay, peptide, 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 peptide. Propanediol. Jasmine oil. Oof, yeah, this is nice. You've got your barrier care, you've got your probiotics, aloe vera, nothing that special, niacinamide, propanediol on the first few ingredients as well. This is an amazing ingredient. This is an amazing formula. I don't love this ingredient. It's used in place of parabens in a lot of formulas to help keep it perfect for as long as possible. It's a preservative. As long as it's in the last few ingredients, then I'm fine with the formula. If it's a bit higher up, I really need to kind of study the formula a bit more for my own reasons and preference, but this is good. That's preservative and it's lower down the list, meaning that there's the least amount in there. Incredible. Okay. I can feel like a Christmas hint here already. So these are all the Zip gels. Gift sets. Oh, they do a blush one. So I believe my discount code will work on any gift sets, any color. So I don't know if you prefer the so the one that I've got is the silver. They do a blush. It's actually really nice in that color. I like the silver. I think it's nice and clean looking. I thought they did more colors, or maybe they did in the past. But yeah, again, any offers as well, I believe the code will work on top of that. Okay, so let's try the discount code that I was given. Luck Zip. So usually it's still in luck, but for this, okay. Nice £42 off. Let's see what else this works on. I want to see actually if I can. Sold out. Oh, great. That, and maybe let's try that other gift set. Oh no. Yeah, every single thing is discounted. So you get a good amount off everything. So that's good news. Again, I'll update everything down below in the description of the comments. If the discount code changes, if the discount level changes, or if there's any information that can help you get a better deal, I will include that down below. The reason why I focus on this point so much is, again, because I'm not inviting sponsorships into videos yet. And this is something that I want to hold off for as long as possible, because it gives me full reign into creating what I want and done the way that I want to do it, until my platform gets bigger, and then perhaps I have a bit more weight to maintain that even if I'm doing a sponsorship. It allows me to support this channel to maintain the video production that I'm doing and offering impartial, honest advice for tech that you will be looking at getting if you've clicked onto this video. Even better when that also includes a discount. So it's not always the way that I can offer a discount through people using my code, and it always means a lot when people do on my other videos, but this is really great when a device is more expensive, and like this one, when I can save a real sizable chunk of pounds, euros, dollars worldwide. It's always great to see any saving, and it's a bit of me to do that. So I, as a person, myself as a customer, I do the same. I will go online and see whose code I can use, whose review I can watch, people's top tips, how can I get the best of the device, what's their thoughts of it before I dive into the purchase. I'm guessing you're the same if the algorithm has introduced us to each other.